Right, this is the cab in effect. Well, effectively. The bit between the front of the two trains and all cab stuff.
Two sides seat.
Yeah, well, I want to sit at the front. First class, yeah. Can always force the doors apart if I can't open them with the switch. They're designed to be anyway. Typical of Abellio Greater Anglia.
How much further?
Not much. Yeah, pretty soon. Like one of those toilets I got stuck in. The pantograph bus. Yep, you're able to make it through safe or quickly. I've actually got some photo opportunity since we haven't got in right before the train's going to depart. It's nice to be. Yes, I shall. I'd like to sit near the front of the train, or in it, pretty much, not near it. There was more of a manual toilet, the normal kind of thing.
Oh, do you have to hang on while I go?
Sure, I'll be somewhere in this carriage because this looks like the front car.
You're going to be in that carriage?
Yeah, it's alright. Can't go far anyway, it's a train. It was 91. Nope, 90, you idiot. Know your trains. See that just I'll walk through.